Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your existing account on the Libertex trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Libertex application on your device, and after you are taken into the homepage, you will see the login button. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will then take you into the login page where you can use your Apple, your Google account, as well as your email and password to log in. Now, if you have used your Google or Apple account to sign up in the first place, then you will need to tap on either one of these buttons and then choose the respective Google or Apple ID. Otherwise, just enter your email address within the given box and then type in the account password that you have set while creating your account. After entering both of your credentials, click on the login button and you will be logged into your account right away. You will then be able to continue trading from wherever you last left off. In case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the Restore Password button, from which you can restore your credentials. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Libertex Forex trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.